Okay, so we're starting the tutorial from this point where I'll show you what I'll explain basically to you how I made this circle. So for the beginners or for anybody who wants to know in detail how I did this circle, I'll put the link in the description box for how to crochet the perfect circle. Otherwise it's very easy to do. So for this project, what I did, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 rounds of double crochet, and from this point I'll start making one double crochet in each stitch. So let me explain. So I started by making 2 chains after the magic loop, and I made 10 double crochet in the circle. Then I joined, chain 3, and then 2 double crochet in each stitch. So the second one is 2 double crochet in each stitch. In order to keep my circle flat, in the third row I chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same stitch as chain 3, because our chain 3 is an invisible stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next. So I alternated 2 1 2 1 2 1. In the next round I alternated 2 1 1 2 1 1, means 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitch. Then in my next round I increased the single double crochet to 3, then the next one I increased it to 4, then to 5, 6 7 8 9 and 10, and all of this you'll find it in the written pattern in my blog post. Again, check the description box for all the informations. So basically this is how you make the circle. Again, for beginners, refer to the link in the description box if you're beginning to make a circle. Otherwise it's very easy. For the next step, what I'm gonna do, for all the next rounds I will be starting my work with chain 3. Again, also if you want to know the hook size and the yarn I use, I'll put it in the description box as well. And I will chain 3, okay, and then I will make 1 double crochet. So this is the chain 3 and this is the stitch, the beginning stitch, okay. So this is the beginning stitch. I will make a double crochet in that beginning stitch, okay, and 1 double crochet in each stitch around the circle. So basically this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my work till I achieve the shape of the cocoon I want. Very easy to do, and this is the yarn you need to use if you want an easy project and a simple stitch like the double crochet. So I will continue the same. Then you will see with every round you do, the circle will start shaping into a cocoon or into like let's say a cover, and then you will continue till the end of the work. I'll come back once I finish this, and then I'll tell you how many yarn ball I used and which one you can use and buy, and the weight of it as well. So I hope so far everything is easy and well explained. Let me know, and I'll see you later. Okay, so finally I have completed the sack or the blanket cocoon, and this is what I was doing and what I posted in my stories. So finally it's done. I think I've used 6 yarn balls. It's cake yarn, and it was from Himalayan brand. It's not, I don't know, it's the first time I use this brand, but look at it. Isn't this amazing? It's perfect if you're sitting in the couch, or you know, you want to use your own blanket. This is just for you. This is for adult size. And like I said, I used 4 of the gray one and 2 of the blue and brownish one, and this is the result. So that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. Very easy and quick to do. This took me, I think, a week, but because I don't crochet continuously all the time, and just using a double crochet stitch around and round and round, that's it. Very easy to do. You can choose to make for babies, children, adult, it's up to you. Then of course for young people you'll use much lesser yarn than this. So let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.